Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to download and install Python 3.14.3 on Windows operating systems. Either it may be Windows 11, 10 or servers. Okay, first go to Python official website. It is python.org. Click on download. See here the latest release is 3.14.3. We have two methods. Download Python install manager or get the standalone installer. I am going to download this standalone installer. Click on it to download. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is only 28.8 megabytes. Then click on this exe file. See here we have two options. Install now means it takes default location and other options, or customize installation. Select the checkboxes. Add Python exe to path and privileges. Use admin privileges and installing py.exe. Then click on customize installation. Optionally you can select these features like documentation, pip, TCL, TK, Python test suite and others. Okay, it is up to you. Whatever you want you can select. Then click on next. Advanced options. Install Python 3.14 for all users, and I want to download all these, and this is the default installation location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path. Okay, then karaoke with the settings and click on install. See, installation has been started. It is very simple and straightforward installation. See, setup was successful. Click on close. Now go to Python folder or just open CMD. Just type Python. See, we have installed Python 3.14. This is one way. Other tools are Python idle. Go to all applications. See here we have Python 3.14. See here we have the idle and Python shell. Open one by one. See, we got the Python idle shell, and version is 3.14.3. The other is Python shell. Just type Python. See here we have the Python shell. Click on it to open. See, we got the same. Okay, here we have more options like edit. In edit also we have different options in Python idle. Okay, sum of two numbers 10. Okay, you can practice like this. Even you can create the script and you can execute it. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Python 3.14.3 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.